This newlywed couple are spending their honeymoon different from the usual. Instead of traveling, they are indoors, with the man currently unable to walk or stand. George Mukupa of Lusaka's Kuku compound is suffering from a bruised spinal cord that began only a month after his wedding to 25-year-old wife Namwaka Mukupa. According to experts from the University Teaching Hospital UTH, the defect is said to be as a result of a cracked spinal cord, a rare condition that leads to paralysis of some parts of the body. Mukupa, who has since remained helpless and bedridden since he was first diagnosed with the disease in August 2020, cannot turn or move his limbs and lower parts of the body. He explains how hard and challenging his condition has been since he was the breadwinner of his family, comprising of only him and his young bride, as they do not have any children, which probably they might never even have, bordering on the fact that his lower part of the body from his waist downward is unfunctional.
Na problem ya spine inaweza zilikana mengi, so sikuanza kuenda, sikuanza na kusebenza, sikuanza na shida vile kwanza. Msana ndio wenzo wao hapa first. Msana wenzo wao but nizo kwanza kuenda. Antiwe namba fika extent kwa timanje na mendo manje yankala week. Ngaja muleka mngari ya paralyzed na mbuka nguenda. Even nankarira. So problem namba ya kasana kuma accident.
A situation, however, that can be reversed through a complex operation that will require implanting metal rods besides his failing spinal cord, and this will cost 41,000 kwacha, money which he does not have, as he can no longer work to earn and provide for his family, which before the unfortunate happened, he used to own a small shop in Kamwala Market, selling merchandise such as shoes and clothes.
Sikuanza kuenda na nyumba nitinkala mwenye wele, so na marentos liko down, so ndima challenges nilinayo nango financially pa nyumba mjafa kuja, so nkuwaya wayache wale once yanga pesa kati batamba program ngafuna mantani zila so that na kwanza kulipia jana ndama tichaja ku UTH so that I can be able to walk again. Maybe nga kwanza na kubonera kunchito. So once you kwanza kunitani zilako mpemba matani zilako.
Okay. For Mukupa and his young wife, life in 2020 is unbearable and the future is still unknown. But one thing for certain, these two are positive. Change will definitely come. Reporting for Movie TV News, Namangolwa Mundia.